Hello out there in Radio Land. This is Live at 510. And we've got the Burnett family here with us today. So let me just bring these up. How you guys doing?
We're doing great. How about yourself?
Doing fantastic. Thanks again for coming in. We're very proud to have you all in the studio. So we've wasted enough time getting these mics ready. Why don't we get right into the music?
Why don't we let Rachel start one off called Big Black Train?
Well, I've had the blues, but now they're gone. I'm on a big black freight train, and I'm moving. I'm on a big black train and I'm moving on. I'm on a big black train and I will soon be gone. But this big black freight train keeps moving on. If you want me, baby, better get on track. Got a one-way ticket and I won't look back. On this big black freight train, it's rolling down the railroad track. I'm on a big black train and I'm moving on. I'm on a big black train and I'll soon be gone. Oh, this big black freight train keeps moving on. You cheated on me, baby, and you told me lies. Said that you were gonna laugh every time I cried. Well, this big black freight train is telling you goodbye. I'm on a big black train and I'm moving on. I'm on a big black train and I will soon be gone. Well, this big black freight train keeps moving on.
All right. Should bring this mic up. Talk for a second. Very nice. We got the Burnett family. Flagstaff locals. You guys always been here from Flagstaff?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Since I was a little tiny guy. Yeah.
All right. And you guys might know these folks.